Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Dixie Cup Holder is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any modern kitchen or workspace, streamlining your daily routine and adding a touch of organization to an often cluttered area. Imagine never having to rummage through drawers for a clean cup again, or dealing with unsightly stacks of paper cups precariously balanced on countertops. This simple yet ingenious device ensures your disposable cups are always within reach, neatly stored, and readily available for that quick sip of water, coffee, or any beverage you desire, making it a small addition that brings significant convenience and tidiness. Number 5. Dixie Dual Cup Dispenser. Introducing the Dixie Dual Cup Dispenser, designed for both 3-ounce and 5-ounce cups. It's a convenient solution for your beverage needs. This dispenser easily accommodates 2 different cup sizes, making it versatile for various uses. Enjoy the flexibility it offers. Each dispenser comes with 23-ounce cups to get you started. You'll have plenty on hand for immediate use. The included cups feature assorted decorative ornate designs. Add a touch of style to your space with these attractive cups. It's the perfect combination of convenience and style for any setting. Make your beverage service more efficient and visually appealing. What we like. This dispenser offers flexibility with dual cup size compatibility. It even comes with a starter pack of cups and features attractive designs. If you're looking for a convenient starter set with a touch of style, this is a great choice. What people say. Great, simple and small cup dispenser. Holds up well and you can stack a lot of cups in it. It's proven to be durable and fits variety sizes of disposable cups. The way you pull these cups out, they've not been out in the open air or touched and moved and etc. until you actually grab the cup you need to use. Most of the cute cup holders I saw, even at much higher prices, do not cover all the cup lips like that. This one does. Number 4. Luxspire Marble White Resin Bathroom Cup Dispenser. Introducing our premium bathroom cup dispenser, crafted from high-end natural gravel and resin. It's sturdy, waterproof, and designed to elevate your guest room and bathroom. Say goodbye to messy cup stacks. This holder keeps your cups clean, dust-free, and protected from countertop moisture, offering a neat and elegant look. With a U-shape opening and matte texture, accessing and restocking cups is effortless. Non-slip pads ensure it stays securely in place without scratching surfaces. Its compact size is perfect for small spaces, holding just enough cups to minimize daily restocking. Enjoy organized cups and more counter space. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or tea rooms, it neatly holds disposable cups, cotton pads, or even paint cups. Keep them ready wherever you need them. What we like. Crafted from high-end marble resin, this dispenser offers a luxurious and waterproof solution. Its dust-free design and compact size make it ideal for small spaces like guest bathrooms or RVs. If you prioritize elegance and a clean aesthetic, this is the one for you. What people say. This bathroom cup dispenser is well made and attractive. It holds the 3-ounce cups perfectly and is easily loaded and emptied. This dispenser is a great option for your bathroom Dixie cups. They fit well and it does not take up a lot of counter space, also very pretty. This cup dispenser is thick-walled, sturdy and so beautiful. The weight is important since you lift the cups up out of it. The marble resin is rich-looking and 3-ounce cups fit perfectly. This is a far more sanitary way to rinse than a glass which gets reused. Number 3. Besuerte Laundry Soap Catcher Tray, 2-pack, white. Are you constantly dealing with messy detergent spills in your laundry room? It's time to say goodbye to those frustrating cleanups. Meet the Besuerte Laundry Soap Catcher Tray, designed to keep your laundry space clean and organized. This innovative solution prevents spills before they happen. Its secure fastening ensures it stays in place, preventing any accidental drips or leaks. Enjoy a cleaner laundry experience with this reliable holder. This versatile accessory functions as a cup holder and drip tray, making detergent dispensing a breeze. It's the perfect organizer for any laundry room. Simplify your laundry routine with this essential organizer. Get the 2-pack in white and experience a spill-free laundry day. What we like. Designed specifically for laundry rooms, this product acts as a cup holder and detergent dispenser. Its secure fastening ensures no spills, keeping your laundry area tidy. If you're seeking an organized and mess-free solution for your laundry detergents, this is a must-have. What people say. The dispenser is easy to install and holds a good amount of cups. It works well and keeps the cups neat and tidy. The design is sleek and modern, fitting in with most decor. Number 2. Dixie Acrylic Cup Dispenser and Holder. Tired of scattered cups in your bathroom? This dispenser neatly stacks your cups, making them easy to grab when you need one. It's perfect for keeping your space organized and your cups accessible. Crafted from durable white acrylic, this dispenser is built for long-term use. It won't easily deform or wear out. Plus, non-slip pads keep it securely in place without scratching your surfaces. Keeping it clean is a breeze. Its smooth interior and exterior surfaces are stain-resistant. You can easily wipe it down with a damp cloth or rinse it with water. Designed to fit most brands of mouthwash and paper cups, including 3 ounces and 5 ounce sizes. Its compact size makes it ideal for various locations. With its stylish and chic appearance, it complements any decor. Use it in bathrooms, kitchens, at parties, weddings, or any gathering. It also makes a thoughtful gift. What we like. Made from sturdy and easy-to-clean acrylic, this dispenser is built for long-term use. Its simple, chic appearance complements various decor styles, making it suitable for bathrooms, parties, or as a thoughtful housewarming gift. If you value durability and a minimalist design, consider this option. What people say. The dispenser is easy to install and holds cups securely. It's a great way to keep cups organized and accessible. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with most decor. Number 1. Yookeer Wooden Cup Dispenser, 2-pack, black. Introducing our set of 2 wooden cup holders. Their simple, delicate design seamlessly blends with any home decor, ensuring they enhance rather than detract from your space. These holders are designed to perfectly fit both 3 ounces and 5 ounces disposable paper cups. Their compact size makes them ideal for any countertop or table. Crafted from high-quality wood, these dispensers are built to last. They feature a smooth, burr-free surface that is rust-proof, sturdy, and resistant to deformation for extended use. Keep your disposable cups dust-free by storing them upside down. This design ensures hygiene and makes it easy for everyone to grab a clean cup whenever they need one. Place them by your water cooler for easy access, or use them in the bathroom, kitchen, or at parties. They offer a convenient and stylish solution for cup dispensing anywhere. In a classic black finish, these dispensers add a touch of modern farmhouse charm to any setting. They are as functional as they are decorative. What we like. This set includes 2 wooden cup dispensers, offering a sturdy and reliable solution with a natural aesthetic. They are designed to keep cups clean and are perfect for various settings like bathrooms, kitchens, or parties. If you appreciate a rustic charm and need multiple dispensers, this set is an excellent value. What people say. They fit the 5-ounce Dixie cups easily. There are little rubber feet on the bottom so they won't damage the surface. It holds both 3 and 5 ounces cups, which I do use both. They look nice, have felt feet and seem well put together and sturdy despite being very light wood. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.